Hello everyone, this is Izar from Gestisoft and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to share a system view in Dynamics 365. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the different types of views available in Dynamics 365. There are two types of views, system views and personal views. In this video, we will focus specifically on system views. System views are designed to help organizations manage and display data consistently across teams and departments. One important thing to know is that you can assign security roles to a system view that allows different users in your organization to interact with the same data in different ways, depending on their responsibilities. For example, sales teams may need access to one set of views, managers, on the other hand, may need more detailed views, and support teams may only need limited access. By applying security roles to views, you ensure that users only see the views that are relevant to their work. This helps improve security organization and overall user experience inside Dynamics 365. Now, let's see how to configure this step by step. First, let's navigate to the system view we want to manage. So we're going to go to the tables. We're going to click on all the tables. And let's use leads as our example. So we have to click on it. Then here, we're going to have the views in the data experiences. We have to click on views. After that, we are going to use all leads as our example. So we have to check mark it here. And then we're going to view settings. Now, we are inside the security roles section of the system view. From this screen, we can control who has access to this view. At the top, we have two options, everyone or specific security roles. If we select everyone, then all users with access to this table will be able to see this view. If we select specific security roles, we can restrict access and choose exactly which security roles can access this view. Below, we can see the list of available security roles in the environment. So all we need to do is select the role we want to assign to the view and click on Save and Publish. Once the changes are published, only users assigned to the selected security roles will be able to access this system view. This helps improve security and ensures users only see the views relevant to them. And one important note, these security settings do not apply to the default public view. So the default public view will remain accessible according to the standard Dynamics configuration. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to assign security roles to a system view in Dynamics 365 to better control user access and improve data visibility across your organization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.